We will learn how to write the formula for ionic compounds. We previously learned how to know the charge of the ion depending on its location in the periodic table. We saw some common ions and their charges, and we also learned that for some metals like lead, iron, and copper, we can find the charge from the name of the compound, and that the charge of metals is always positive. We will use all of what we learned in order to find a formula for the ionic compound. Working out the formula for an ionic compound. Example 1 is to find the formula for sodium oxide. Sodium, Na, is in group 1 of the periodic table. So that's its location in the periodic table. So the ion is Na+. Why is that? Because elements of group number 1 have a charge of 1+. Because sodium is in group 1, then its charge is 1+. Oxygen is in group 6, so the ion is O2-. Elements in group 6 have a charge of O2-, and you can find this in table 5.1 in your book. See the importance of this table? Notice that the charges are not equal. Na has 1+ and oxygen has 2-. Consider that this is oxygen and this is its charge, 2-. In blue is Na and the charge 1+. We know that an ionic compound is neutral, so the number of pluses should be equal to the number of minuses. So what should we do here for them to be equal? We should add one more plus. So we can add one more Na+ ion, and therefore the total positive charge, which is 2+, is equal to the total negative charge, which is 2-. So the formula here is Na2O. Sodium oxide is Na2O, 2 Na atoms as you see in the picture, and 1 oxygen atom. Why is there no charge for the compound? Because they cancelled each other.